Hello, good morning everyone. Today for class 9, we are going to take a polynomial and the subtopic will be a factorization. Firstly, let's try to define it. So what is a factorization? Factorization is the process of expressing a given polynomial as the product of its prime factor. So for example, as you can see it, let's try x squared plus 3x plus 2. So for this polynomial, the factor are x plus 2 and x plus 1. So this factor, how to find it, can be done by number 1, splitting the middle term, and number 2, by identity. But for today, we are going to do only number 1, that is splitting the middle term. So before we solve the question, let me explain a bit. The explanation is short. So in applying this method of splitting, the middle term, let's say ax squared plus bx plus c, we are going to find two real numbers, that is alpha and beta, such that alpha plus beta will be b, and alpha into beta will be c. So in order to split the middle term, in the middle term there's 3x. So we need to find two number, that is alpha and beta. Suppose let's say alpha plus beta is equal to 3. There will be the middle term. And alpha into beta will be the last term, that is 2. Now let's solve this question. Okay, let's see this example. The first term is x squared. This is first term. And this is the middle term. And this is the last term, that is third term. What we need to do is to split the middle term, this 3x. To split this one, we need to find alpha plus beta. That is, let's take LCM of 2. Which give 2, 1. That is 2 into 1. So to satisfy this middle term, we need to arrange this one. Let's say x squared plus 2 plus 1, that is, it becomes 3. That's x plus 2. Then x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. So these 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 satisfy this middle term. So now let's try to find the factor. From this pair, let's try to take common. From here, what is common? Let's see. From this pair, x and x is common. Let's take out x common. Then the remaining will be x plus 2. And from this pair, let's see, 1. Let's take 1 common. Then the remaining x plus 2. So the next step will be, let's see, from these two terms, which one is common? X plus 2 and x plus 2 is common. So let's take out this one again. X plus 2 common. Then the remainder is x and plus 1. So this is the factor of the given polynomial. In case of negative in the middle term, we need to find alpha and beta such that alpha plus beta give minus 6 and alpha and beta give 8. So from this equation example, x square minus 6x plus 8. So right here what we see is that in the middle term there is a negative sign. So to solve this one we need the same process. That is, we need to find alpha and beta. So the last digit is 8. So let's take LCM of 8. LCM of 8, which gives 4 into 2, which will satisfy the equation. So x square minus the middle term will be 4 plus 2, which give the middle term 6, x plus 8. Now let's multiply, let's take out the bracket. X square minus 4x minus and plus minus 2x plus 8. And the same process, let's pair it up. And let's take out common. From the first pair, the common is x. And the remainder is x minus 4. And from the second pair, minus 2 is common. And if you take out 2, there is x. And minus plus minus. And this one, if you take out 2 common from 8, 2 into 4. So if you take out 2, the remainder is 4. And from this process, let's take out again common. X minus 4 is common, so let's take out this as common. X minus 4. And if we take out x minus 4 common, the remainder will be x minus 2. Thus, the factor of the given polynomial x square minus 6x plus 8 are x minus 4 and x minus 2. Next case. In case of coefficient in the first term, first thing what we need to do is multiply the coefficient of the first term with the last term. And the product, we need to take LCM. So for example, let me solve it one question again. 4x square minus 16x plus 7. In this case, what we need to do is the coefficient of the first term, that is 4, you have to multiply with the last term 7. That is 4 into 7, which give 28. And taking this 28 LCM, it gives 14 into 2, which will satisfy the equation. So LCM of 28 gives 14 into 2. So the next step, 4x square minus 14 plus 2x plus 7. Then this one, let's take out the bracket. 4x square minus 14x minus, that's minus plus. If we take out, if we open a bracket by minus, it will become minus. That's minus 2x plus 7. And from this pair, let's try to take out common. This one we can keep it as 2 into 2, and the other one 14 as 2 into 7. From these two, we can take out 2 as common. 2, then x common, then the remainder will be 2x minus 7. And from this pair, minus 1. If you take out minus 1 common, then the remainder will be 2x minus plus will be minus and 7. And again, taking out common, 2x minus 7 and 2x minus 7 is common. So let's take out this as common. 2x minus 7, and the remainder will be 2x minus 1. So these are the factor of the given polynomial 4x squared minus 16x plus 7. Thus, the factor are 2x minus 7, 2x minus 1. I hope you can understand all this step. For your assignment, the following question, you do it as home assignment. Factorize the following by splitting the middle term. So number 1 will be x squared plus 5x plus 6, and Roman number 2, x squared minus 7x plus 12. Roman number 3, a squared minus 7a minus 120. And Roman number 4, 2x squared plus 6x minus 56. And number 5, 1/4 of x squared minus 2x plus 3. So for the next lesson, we are going to apply identities formula.